Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome to Electro Drive News. Are you ready to learn about some of the lesser-known benefits of driving an electric vehicle? Well, buckle up because we've got a whole lot to talk about. So, let's start with something that might surprise you. Many states are now offering carpool lane passes to electric vehicles, regardless of how many people are in the vehicle. That means, if you're one of those solo commuters who's always been stuck behind other cars, getting access to a carpool or HOV lane could be a game changer for your daily commute. The idea is that EVs are so clean and efficient, they can actually help reduce congestion on our roads. Now we know what you're thinking. If I'm driving alone in an electric vehicle, do I really deserve to use the carpool lane? But the truth is, these laws vary from state to state. Some places like California, Oregon, and Washington have already implemented this rule, while others are still working it out. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about something that might seem counterintuitive: tax credits for electric vehicles. Yep, you heard that right. There are federal and local tax credits available to help make purchasing an EV more affordable. As of 2023, new electric vehicles purchased after that date are eligible for a federal income tax credit of up to $7,500. And if you're thinking about buying an EV in the near future, now's actually a great time to start saving. But what really gets us excited is when we talk about local rebate programs and incentives. These can vary by state and even city, but they often provide significant discounts on things like EV chargers for your home or office. So before you make that electric vehicle purchase, do some research on the rebates and incentives available in your area. And finally, let's talk about something we've all been thinking. How much are electric vehicles really going to set us back? While it's true they can be pricey up front, there are also some amazing savings to be had when you consider maintenance costs and fuel, or rather, lack thereof. Plus, as technology continues to improve, those prices will only keep dropping. So, if you're on the fence about making the switch to an electric vehicle, we hope this episode of Electro Drive News has given you a few reasons to think twice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car news that matters.